Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the TV has the latest firmware and the accessory is in active pairing mode. This prevents protocol mismatches. Next, make sure Bluetooth on the TV is enabled in settings and that you select the correct device type, audio versus input. Once done, temporarily turn off nearby phones or speakers. Interference can block discovery. You do this now because a clean discovery window is the most reliable way to force a successful initial handshake between devices. You should now run a focused diagnostic. Open the Bluetooth menu and scan while watching for the accessory name, select it and accept any PIN or passkey. If the device isn't visible, toggle Bluetooth off and on and power cycle the accessory. This clears caches and resets profiles. Then make sure audio routing is set to the paired device. TVs often default to internal speakers. By doing these steps in sequence, you isolate discovery, pairing, and routing issues rather than guessing at a single fix. You finish by testing with short audio clips to confirm stable connection and proper volume levels. Adjust both TV and accessory volumes to avoid clipping. If you see stuttering or unexpected drops, unpair and repair. This rebuilds the Bluetooth profile and often resolves codec negotiation problems. As a last resort, reset the TV's Bluetooth settings or perform a network/factory reset. Do this only after backups because it clears paired devices. If problems persist, try a different accessory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.